Please join my tour, guys, in Atlanta City, Georgia. This is my second time, and this is my first take a video, guys, to show what the city of Atlanta is very clean and the traffic light is good.
Sushi at the Breech pit. Marlo's Tavern.
Way Highway 141. Hey, Beach, did you stay there?
That's the houses of Atlanta.
Let's get another one on that area here.
The electrical is nice. It's organized. Time for lunch. After lunch, we tour again to the cities, and then we buy seasonings, the spices, and my husband's favorite. And then we go home after our tour. And keep watching, guys, and have a great day. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below. Have a great day.